BASON Wi-Fi Smart Neon Lights, Wi-Fi Bluetooth. As we look at the box, it's NH101, 3 meters, maximum 24 watts, maximum 55 lumens, 110 volts, 120 degree angle with the LED chip of SMD 5050 RGB. Let's open up, show you what you get inside the box. Works with Alexa, Google Assist, and app control. As we open up the box, we have one strip, one controller, one power source, tie wraps, clips, screws, and anchors. And of course, instructions in a number of languages. In the kit, we get a power supply, 110 volt, plugs into the unit. The circle, press to control on and off, press and hold for Bluetooth. Press to switch the colors and hold the button to adjust brightness, the center. Press to switch dynamic mode, press and hold the button to adjust the speed of the color change. Do Tint is the app. Let's open. After registering your account, you're going to add a scene. We're activated. Light turns off, stays off. Light turns on, goes on. If we press on the unit in a different language, it's telling us what to do. We could watch a movie, private room, so forth. And we could adjust things down. We can make it romantic. We can have a flashing reminder. We can have it party. And we can have it sleep night. We can have a candlelight effect. We can have it on game mode and music mode. If we want white, we could change the different colors of white and so forth. We want color, we could change it to different colors and so forth with the app. We want streamer, we just simply pick the colors we want, the speed of the stream, the brightness, and so forth, and make it a favorite. We have different colors to choose from, as you can see, and we can pick up the color and delay, and we have firmware updates, and we have a timer. All these controls can be done over here onto the switch. The on and off now finally works via the control. Turn it on and change things. Long press it to brighten and so forth. And long press it to do different things. You'll find a wall, a place, a den, living room, TV area. And you basically are going to hang it up. These are the way the units work. They come Velcroed, so you unpeel the Velcro. And of course, pick a living room wall in your entertainment area or wherever you hang LED stringers. And you can make your own design by putting it on your wall. This was an unboxing showing you the lights and how they work via the smartphone app. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing review of the LED lights that you can hang up and make your own design of the product. I hope you enjoy yours.